Testing Center is available in sandboxes after Spring 25 release. If you want to use Testing Center in your developer org, you can create a Scratch org with AI-enabled settings. We have already created a session for creating Scratch org with AI settings which you can watch before following this. Before we proceed, let's check we have any account record in this org or not. There are no account records. Try to find account record by name. No account record found with this name. Let's move to our agent and try to search account record by name. This agent has some default topics. Let's try to search account record and we will see which topic and action it will call. So general CRM topic has been called and identify record by name action is also called. In the real use case, sales reps can enter prompt like find the Salesforce or find Salesforce without mentioning the object name. So we will create test with the possible prompts and check the results. Which topic or action this agent is calling for the prompt. A sample template is provided by the Salesforce. It's a CSV file where we will add information for the test. Let's check the template CSV file. In utterance, we need to enter the possible prompt text that a user can enter. In expected topic, we need to mention the topic we are expecting from agent to be called. In expected actions, we need to mention the agent action name which we are expecting to be called by the topic. Expected response like account is found and details has been shared. Let's update this CSV to a use case where account record has not been found. So our CSV file is ready to upload. Let's upload and run the test. So our test is running. Let's wait for it. Our test has been ran and it's showing status as complete with some additional information like duration, topic pass percentage, action pass percentage, and response percentage. In the results, we can see that all topic results are passed because it called the same topic for each utterance which we are expecting. For actions, one result is failed because it called another method named identify object by name. For response test results, all utterance are passed because account record is not found. Let's create the account record with name as force and rerun the test. So now account record is present. Let's see what will be the results if we rerun the test. Topic result all are passed as it called same topic as we expected. One action test result is failed because it called another method for that utterance. All response test results are failed because we were expecting account record not to be found but it is found by the action. So this is how you can use Testing Center. As of now it can work to test the called topic, actions and results, not the logical functionality like checking the JSON response or return record fields. Maybe later Salesforce introduce more functionalities.